And tonight, new calls for transparency and measures to protect airline passengers after a hepatitis A exposure on a flight into Charlotte.
It's tied back to a flight attendant with the virus. And while American Airlines has refused to reveal all of the flights that attendant was on, a Channel 9 investigation is uncovering how widespread the impact really is.
Reporter Jill Bruno is live with what we found, and you've had to do some serious digging in this story, Jill.
Well, American Airlines told me to contact the CDC. The CDC told me to contact American Airlines just to find out how many flights that this flight attendant was on while he was contagious. We have not been able to find out that information, so we had to do a little digging, contacting 50 state health departments, the municipalities of the top 30 airports, and local counties to find out just how many passengers have been impacted. When I first broke this story over the weekend, we only knew of 18 passengers from Mecklenburg County who were potentially exposed on a flight from San Francisco to Charlotte on September 21st. Since then, after contacting 86 departments of health, we have learned at least 62 people across the country were potentially exposed to hepatitis A while flying. We learned from the CDC the person contagious with the infection was a flight attendant, and that person worked on multiple flights. But the only flight health officials and American Airlines has disclosed is that September 21st trip from San Fran to Charlotte. Experts say that is a problem.
Some people might not know what they're sick with, and so having that information is, I think it's just good, public health policy.
Mecklenburg County has experienced several hepatitis A scares in recent years. Last year, thousands of people had to get vaccinated after eating at a Hardee's in West Charlotte. Attorney Bill Marler was one of the lawyers involved with the class action suit over the exposure. He says restaurants and airlines need to encourage, if not require, Hep A shots for workers.
Hepatitis A is the only foodborne illness that is vaccine preventable. And it's just common sense, to, at minimum, offer the vaccines.
American Airlines would not tell me what their vaccination policy is. Experts say even a minor case of hepatitis A can result in someone being sick for a month. Allison?
Well, Joe, we know you don't take no for an answer, so thank you for digging into that.